Would you like to take a tour at the Palms at Serenoa? That's what we're going to get started on today. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Krish with Remax here in Clermont, Florida, and yeah, we're going to talk about Palms at Serenoa in Clermont, Florida, 34714. And I actually have a different setup today because I am getting another set of cabinets in my usual backdrop. So if you see my doors, it's because this side is a total mess. But anyways, yeah, so back to Palms at Serenoa. The average sold home that just sold was $278,971, and that's for a single family detached home. It's April 21st, 2021. And this 55 plus adult community is a very convenient location. It's located right off of Highway 27 in Clermont. Yes, it does hold a different Clermont zip code of 34714, different schools. So located a short ride to Disney, and it has single family units. So it first started building in September of 2019, and that's when the first home actually sold. And since 2019, the prices have been on the rise, and it's just a very desirable location. Most of the homes that are being sold, they're starting at $228,990, and they're going as high as $336,990. So the most expensive home that just recently sold was the $336,991. So you can choose from anywhere from 1,402 square feet to 2,074 square feet of heated living space, which is great because that gives you a good amount to play with. So let's talk about what's the love about this neighborhood. My light just went out, but we're going to keep on going. It is conveniently located for an easy commute to Disney parks, and it's just 20-30 minute drive time to Disney parks. That will change though with the connector. It will go down to 20 minutes, and it's 45 minutes to downtown Orlando, so you can enjoy all the amenities this community has to offer. There is a large pool with plenty of seating for relaxation, and a cabana area for more enjoyment and just enjoying the Florida lifestyle. It has a large fitness center, stretching, fitness studio, tennis courts, a fenced-in dog park, and indoor seating for socializing. One of the best things about the Palms at Serenoa is that it's going to be a connector that runs straight through to Disney. And what that means is that they're going to extend the road that's currently there, and it's going to connect to Disney, so you could get there within 10 minutes. So when that's completed, you will get access from that development to Winter Garden, all the things that that city has to offer. So you will love living there in Palms at Serenoa for retirement, and it's just, 10 minutes away living from the Disney parks. Who wouldn't want that, right? There are 14 restaurants within 5 miles, and there is a Publix just 1 mile away. There's also 1 mile away, there's a Bravo supermarket and Walmart, all kinds of shopping just within a couple miles drive of the neighborhood. And for the outdoor activities, there is just so much to do because there's beautiful Lake Louisa Park, there's horseback riding, there's everything you can imagine, camping, there's 22 golf courses and 5 parks and a lake just in the surrounding area. So they are still building in the Palms at Serenoa. So if you want to live in a house that's never been lived in before, then you can do so, and just start building from the ground up. So if you like this video and you want to see more 55 plus neighborhoods in the area, check out my neighborhood playlist right up here. And yeah, guys, also, if you would like to contact me, and you could either, send me a text or call me, and that my phone number is located right down in the description below, all the way down in each description of each video. So So yeah, 10 minutes to Disney with the connector, all the amenities, beautiful scenery, the Palms of Serenoa. This neighborhood is for you if you like all those things. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.